y'all, it's Bella. So I just got home from Iceland and I'm unpacking, so I thought I'd share some things that I packed that I felt are really essential for a trip to Iceland, especially if you're going in September, the time I went. And keep in mind, if you go early in the summer, it may not be this cold, but obviously if you go later in the year, like around December, it will be colder. Okay, we're gonna start with the two most important things. The first thing is a waterproof raincoat. If you've seen my pictures, if you've seen the vlog, you saw that I had this coat on pretty much the entire time. I got this off Amazon and I really like it. The quality is really good, and this is the most essential thing you need. Definitely a waterproof coat that is also lined to keep you warm. The hood on this one is lined with fleece. It has these elastics that you can tighten the hood. It has a part with Velcro that can go around your neck to really keep everything in, and then of course it zips, and it has these Velcro to cover the zipper and also keep you warm and keep water out. It has a pocket on the chest, and so this is really where I just kept my like hotel key. And then it also has two zipper pockets on the side. They had a few different colors, but I really like the white because I didn't want to be in all black. And be careful with the link because they do have another style, and I'm not sure if the pockets and the style of the jacket is exactly the same. The second thing you need are definitely some waterproof boots, especially if you're going hiking in the waterfalls and things like that. You're going to need something sturdy that's going to keep your feet warm and dry. So these obviously you've seen them. If you've seen the vlog and you've seen my pictures on Instagram, I wore these the whole time. And then sticking with clothes, I also brought a lighter layer jacket. So this is just like a Columbia fleece. So I mainly wore this on the airport, but just so I didn't have to have that big puffy jacket on the entire time, or something just to wear around in the hotel room. You don't want that coat to be the only jacket you have, so just something light. And even if it's colder, you can even take it and put it up under the coat as an extra layer. Also had some thermal pants, so these really came in handy with layering, especially when I went to attempt to see the northern light. But I had two pairs of these, and these also make good pajamas, especially sleeping in Iceland. It's cold outside. That was nice. And on top of that, I had some waterproof rain pants. I had two pairs of these. You definitely need these, whether it rains, whether you're going to see the waterfalls. Definitely need some waterproof pants. You can really wear them the whole time. They are lined in the inside, these specific ones. I don't know about other ones. But also had a hat. Definitely need a hat, especially if it rains and your hair starts to get frizzy like mine did. If y'all saw the vlog, I just threw the hat on, but obviously you need a hat because it's gonna be cold. I also brought my scarf, but I didn't use it. So socks. So something I like to do, I buy my socks out of the boys section because for some reason they make men and boys socks thicker than women. But you could just double up on socks, or you could really buy some like Wool Smart or some waterproof socks or something that would really help. I didn't have waterproof socks, but I looked for them, but I thought about it too late and they wouldn't have came in time, so I just took my handy dandy Walmart socks and I doubled them up. That's all I did. And then I also brought my gloves, but I didn't use them because they're furry. So what I would recommend is like some leather gloves that are lined in the inside, because if I would have worn these, they just would have been soaking wet. Something that I forgot to mention about the coat, they also have little hand things where you could put your thumb in them and kind of cover up this part of your hand, so that was really helpful. I just really wore those a lot since I didn't have gloves. Also, if you're going to the Blue Lagoon or any type of thermal pool, don't forget your swimsuit. On that same tip, I brought flip-flops, but I didn't use them because I bought the package with slippers at the Blue Lagoon. But if you don't want to wear their slippers, or you don't buy their package or anything like that, bring some flip-flops. And then the other accessories that also came in handy is waterproof phone case. Now I didn't buy this, somebody actually gave this to me at the Blue Lagoon, but what a godsend, because I ended up going to the waterfalls the next day and it was raining, so it just helped just to have my phone and something where I could take pictures. Not only was it raining, but it's also water and mist coming off the waterfalls, so it did come with a string, but I didn't end up using that part. I would just put it in my coat pocket or in my little bag. Speaking of bags, I also packed this Packable backpack. I don't like to use the same bag that I use as a carry-on as a day pack. I just don't want to be moving my stuff around like that. Just so something that'll hold my water bottle and all the things that I might need while I'm hiking and I'm out all day. So this is something I definitely use, and it's almost waterproof. Like the material is this almost waterproof material. I don't know how to, my stuff did get a little wet after walking in the rain, so it's not truly waterproof, but as long as you're not getting drenched, you should be fine. Speaking of water bottles, this is the water bottle I have. It's a Brita with a filter in it, but you don't need all that. And I recommend you just filling it up at the tap or anything because their water is so pure. You do not need to buy bottled water. I think that's why it's so expensive, because it's really no point because their water is so clean. And something very, very, very important. So Iceland is a European country. They do not have American plugs. So I bought this adapter for Europe and it came with a few different pieces, but this is the type C piece with the 2 prongs. It has a few different pieces that you can switch out. I think it came with the one for Italy as well, but you just put it in and then that way I just plug it into the outlet and I was able to charge my phone, charge my computer, anything. Nothing got messed up. I know they have like plugs and then they have like converters for all the wattage and everything, but this is all I needed and I was okay. And then I'll just say, going anywhere really, bring a portable charger, especially if you're gonna be out all day, and bring a portable charger. That's it. And then lastly, some sunglasses. The sun does shine, even though it may rain a lot. Just remember that you're still getting those UVs. So those are all the essentials. Don't forget your layers. Don't forget your camera to take some nice pictures. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you felt it was helpful, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.